Welcome to the Hub of Knowledge Study Style.
Good evening, guys. I hope you all are well. So today I have come with a new video on Kaveri Basin. As you know that we are doing the rivers of peninsular India. We have done with the Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and now this is turn for Kaveri Basin. So let's read something about Kaveri Basin. The Kaveri rises in the Brahmagiri range of the Western Ghats. As you know about the Western and Eastern Ghats, so these you can consider the Western Ghats and these are the Eastern Ghats. So here something, Brahmagiri range lies over here in Karnataka. It lies in Karnataka, and from here originates this river, Kaveri river. It reaches Bay of Bengal. As you know that this is the east flowing river, so it flows into Bay of Bengal in the south of Kudlore in Tamil Nadu. So it makes delta in the state of Tamil Nadu. Its tributaries are Amravati, Bhavani, Hemavati and Kabini, and its basin covers drained parts of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Although this river flows into two states only, that is Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, but its basin covers four states, that is Kerala and also UT of Puducherry. Just keep this in your mind. Puducherry is also included in this basin of Kaveri. So this is the map shown. Here you can see these are the Western Ghats and these are the Eastern Ghats. And here lies Brahmagiri range in the Western Ghats. From here originates a river, that is Kaveri river. So it is passing to this state of Karnataka and then it enters in Tamil Nadu and make delta in Tamil Nadu and then flows into Bay of Bengal. So as I have told you that the basin of Kaveri lies in four states. So some of the streams like right bank tributaries are also originating from here in Kerala and also covers the part of Puducherry also. So now I am just making a rough map to make the view more clear of the Kaveri basin. Now here I am making the map of India. This is the peninsular India, and from here you can see these are the Western Ghats. There is some gap in the Western Ghats. So these are the Western, these are the Eastern Ghats, and here somewhat lies Brahmagiri range. Okay, so this is Brahmagiri range. From here originates a river, that is Kaveri river. Here it originates and it flows in Karnataka and then in Tamil Nadu, making delta over here and flows into Bay of Bengal. This is Bay of Bengal. Okay. Now as you know that we have read about Tungabhadra river, which is a right bank tributary of Krishna river. So that river was originating from here Babu Budan hills in Karnataka plateau, and it was originating and going in the north direction. Okay, so from Babu Budan hills also originate a river, that is the left bank tributary of Kaveri river, and that is Hemavati river. So it originates like this from Babu Budan hills and joins Kaveri over here at this part. So you can say that this Hemavati river also originates from the Western Ghats and becomes the left bank tributary of Kaveri river. One more thing I want to tell you that these all the features like Brahmagiri range and Babu Budan hills lies in the Karnataka plateau. So this is Karnataka plateau, which is a very important plateau, and east to it there is Bangalore plateau. Bangalore plateau, from here originates also the rivers which joins the Kaveri river and are the left bank tributaries of Kaveri river. So I'm just making a map here again. This is Brahmagiri range in the Western Ghats. From here originates a river, that is this Kaveri river. Okay, and from here as we have seen that this is the river Hemavati, which is the left bank tributary of Kaveri river. It is originating from Western Ghats, Babu Budan hills and joining Kaveri over here. So as I told you that this is the Karnataka plateau over here, and from here originating two rivers which are the left bank tributaries of Kaveri river. So this is Simsha river. It is also originating from Karnataka plateau and joining Kaveri river over here to the east of Hemavati river. This is Simsa river. So these both left bank tributaries of Kaveri are originating from the Karnataka plateau. Just keep this in your mind. And I also told you that to this east of Karnataka plateau there lies a Bangalore plateau, and from here originates a river which is also the left bank tributary of Kaveri river, and that is Argavati river. It is also the very important river originating from Bangalore plateau and joining Kaveri river to the east of Simsha river. So this is Bangalore plateau. So this Argavati river originates from Nandi hills in Bangalore plateau and then joins this Kaveri river at Kanakpura. So this place is known as Kanakpura. Now you must know that there are three rivers which are the right bank tributaries of Kaveri river and which are originating from Kerala state. As you know that the basin of Kaveri also lies in the Kerala state. So the three rivers, that is, first let me write here, this is Kabini river, Bhavani river and Amravati river. These are the three major rivers which are the right bank tributaries of Kaveri river, and these originate from Kerala. So we will see how it originates. First of all, Bhavani river, which is a right bank tributary of Kaveri river. So from here it originates in the Western Ghats and passes through Karnataka plateau and meet this point between Hemavati and Simsa river. Also you can say that to the east of Hemavati and to the west of Simsa river. So this is Kabini river. So for now, second most important right bank tributary of Kaveri, that is Bhavani river, and it originates, it's the most important river, it originates from Nilgiri hills. Just remember it, it originates from the Nilgiri hills and it joins Kaveri river at the right bank to the east of Arkavati river. Okay. So this Bhavani river is a major tributary of Kaveri river. So next we'll read about Amravati, which is also the right bank tributary of Kaveri river. So Amravati river originates from Annamala hills. These are Annamala hills, and as I told you that these are Nilgiri hills. To the south of Nilgiri hills there lies Annamala hills. And from here originates a river, that is Amravati river, which is also the right bank tributary of Kaveri river. So Amravati river is the right bank tributary of Kaveri river in Coimbatore. So it lies in Coimbatore. So you must remember this. So this is Amravati river. One more thing, you must keep it in mind that this is Arkavati and this is Amravati. Don't confuse between both of them, because Arkavati is a left bank tributary and Amravati is right bank tributary. So this all is about Kaveri river, which is also the most important river of peninsular India after Godavari, Krishna. So you must keep this in mind. Now you can see this in the map also. This is Kaveri river. As you can see, this is Brahmagiri range, lies in the Western Ghats. From here originates a Kaveri river, which flows in Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, and three of its right bank tributaries lies in Kerala, that is Kabini, Bhavani and Amravati. Kabini, Bhavani and Amravati. Kabini passes through Karnataka plateau and Bhavani originates from Nilgiri hills, as you know this, and Amravati originates from the Annamala hills. And we read about the three left bank tributaries also, that is Hemavati, and Hemavati originating from here in Karnataka and from Babu Budan hills, Shimsha river, which is also originating from Karnataka plateau, and then we read about Arkavati river, which is originating from Bangalore plateau and meeting this Kaveri river at the left bank. So this is all about this Kaveri river basin, which lies in four states, that is Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka and UT of Puducherry. So this was all about the Kaveri basin, and I hope you are getting the things more and more clear. And if you want to make a concept more and more crystal clear, then you have to practice these maps in the blank maps. So you can purchase the blank maps from the market and practice them on daily basis. So guys, thank you for listening to my video. And if you are getting things more and more clear, please like my video, subscribe to my channel and comment on it. Because when you give response, then I will be motivated to make more and more videos like this. So guys, thank you so much.